So these parts here are what make up a VEVOR shower bench, which look like a really nice heavy-duty shower bench, but also looked attractive. So instead of me telling you about it, you watch me put it together so you know what's involved, and I'll talk to you about its features, and then we'll come back, see what the finished product looks like. Okay, so this is a 16.5 shower stool. Like I said, this is from VEVOR. I do need to tell you they provided it to me to do this review, but they gave me no real instructions, so I'm gonna put it together and let you know what I think. This is waterproof. It's made out of that kind of like fake wood, so it has a really, honestly, it has a great looking true grain to it. It looks amazing, but it is definitely plastic, so it's nice and it's not going to be an issue in the shower that way. It's great for things like shaving your legs, or if you need to sit down for a moment. It will hold up to 350 pounds, which is outstanding. Has a storage shelf on the bottom, which should be nice for organizing things, and to be honest with you, it looks nice enough you could put it inside or outside of the shower. All right, so here it is. Let me see if I could show you what that looks like. Can you see that? Look how nice that grain is. This is really nice and super duper stable. You can adjust the feet however you need them. You know, if your floor is not flat, it's a shower, so it shouldn't be flat. So you could adjust them however you need them. This is wildly better than what I expected. Looks good. You could put this in the shower, not in the shower, either place. You could just put this in the corner, put a big heavy plant on it. Be great for that as well. And it does come with a nice set of spare hardware. I can't see how you're gonna need the spare hardware, but it's always nice when that's there, even if you lose one somewhere along the way. In any case, this is definitely a great find. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.